The Nothing Phone 3 just made its unofficial debut in a set of official-looking renders. These confirm that the previously leaked render of the device was indeed fake. Unfortunately, though, the actual design may not be much better. In fact, it looks even more polarizing. Right off the bat, it's the camera layout that's drawing the most attention. The Phone 3 features a triple rear camera setup. It will be available in black and white. The Nothing Phone 3 will be made official on July 1, 2025. The Nothing Phone 3 will be sold in India through Flipkart. The smartphone is expected to feature a 6.7-inch 1.5K OLED LTPO display. The device is tipped to cost $799. Nothing Phone 3 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. Will have 7 years of software support, up to with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Run Nothing OS 3.3 based on Android 15. It comes with a triple camera setup, include a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP periscope lens with 3x optical zoom. 50MP selfie camera. Phone 3 will feature a 5150 mAh battery with 65W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.